Hi, this is Karma Spence, and I am now about to do an unboxing video of the 4-in-1 pouch laminator. I received a sample of this so that I could share with you my experience of unboxing it. So let's get going. First of all, I really like the packaging. It's very clear, it's got nice pictures, and it makes you want to open it up. I'm really excited about this. So I've always wanted a laminator. I don't know why. It's just one of those things that it'd be really cool to have, you know, kind of like having a drone. I wouldn't mind having a drone too. So let's see here. The first thing I see is this multi-laminator instruction book. It's got use instruction 401. It's a laminator paper cutter. That's kind of handy. Corner rounder and 20 laminated pouches. I'm assuming that means you put the thing in the pouch and it does the laminating. My dad used to laminate things for me when I was a kid. It's just sort of a feel-good thing. And it's got technical data in here and safety warnings and operations instructions, troubleshooting, pretty standard. And then the laminator is really nicely packed in here. It's protected by these bookend foam things so that you know it's not going to move around. I love it when they're packed nicely like that. I'm one of those people that tends to keep the box so that whenever I move, I can just repackage it in the box and I know it's safe. And also at the bottom here, these are the pouches. So there's, I believe it said there were 20 of them in there. That's kind of cool. So let's get the box out of the way. And the laminator is a really good, decent size. It's protected in this little bag. And it's a little hefty. It's got a bit of weight to it, so it's probably not going to move around when you laminate things. Caution, sharp blade. Well, if it's a paper cutter, I would think so. It's got this sort of stuff here so that you can know what you're cutting and what degree things are in. It plugs in to your wall. Let's see what this side here. We've got the corner rounder is here. In the back here, it's got a corner rounder. And, oh, you can unlock it or lock it, I guess, so that it doesn't hurt. It's got an on-off, and it's got a cold and hot switch. I'm not too sure. I obviously will have to read the instructions to know about that. I'm not too sure how this works, but again, I haven't read it, and that's okay. Oh, let's see. Okay, here's the lock thing. I don't know what ABS is. Okay, here's you can see it. This is the paper cutter part. And it's got the little, I don't want to cut my finger. It's got the little plastic thing to prevent you from hurting yourself and just hold the paper in. And there's a little hole here. So I'm assuming that's where the thing comes out when you laminate it, or maybe that's where you put it in. And it comes out this side. I'm not too sure how that works. But anyway, this looks like, I think the main thing is this looks like it feels like a really solid product. Like, I could own this and it's not gonna break on me. It feels really solid, and it's got lighting for ready and power, and JZ Brain is the brand for it. I'll have to use it and get back to you, but just unboxing it, I'm like, this is fun. So below this video, I will put a link to where you can find it on Amazon. It's an Amazon product. And if you're looking for a laminator, I think this one could really work for you. I think it would be really good for a home office. Because sometimes when okay, I'm an online marketer. In general, I'm an information marketer. So most of the stuff I do is digital, but every once in a while, it's nice to send something physical. Or if you're like going speaking and you want to have some handouts, having a laminator is really handy because doing lamination outside is kind of pricey. So this is really great for a nice quick laminate if you want to have a nice little card or something like that. It fits, again, here's the size. You can fit pretty large things here. Oh, it's got different sizes of lamination sheets. I hadn't noticed that before. Take a look at them. Looks like there are, lots of sizes. So there's several of this sort of card size. I think this would probably fit like a 3x5 card. That's what it looks like, about a 3x5 card. Then there are several of this size, which is about an 8.5-inch sheet of paper. Then the next size I'm guessing this is probably one of those was it eight? It's 8.5, but it's longer. So this is sort of like a legal sheet. And then this is sort of like your newsletter size, which I believe is 14 by 17. So there's a nice range here. It's a good starter package. I know that you can get more once you've used them. You're going to want more because you're not going to want to buy another machine. I will look those up on Amazon, put those links below too. Anyway, I'm really happy that I received this product and I'm happy to share it with you. It's pretty cool. Check it out.